Yoorekka.com, where local choices are found easier. Looking for the perfect place to celebrate Valentine's Day with your partner? Check out these 5 major resorts in Batangas. Number 1. La Chevrerie Resort and Spa, Barangay Ligaya, Anilal, Mabini, Batangas. Number 2. Noni's Resort, Barangay Pimas, Ali, Tag, Batangas. Number 3. Aquaverde Beach Resort, Laya, San Juan, Batangas. Number 4. Crusoe Cabins, Santa Ana, Cala, Tagon, Batangas. Number 5. Naomi Sanctuary Resort, JM Katik Bach State Barangay, Longi Land, Balete, Batangas. Want to know more date spots and resorts in Batangas? Read the full article at Yoorekka.com.